Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project template in a Zoho project. Okay. So first up, go ahead and go to projects right here, click on it. And as you can see, this duplicate right here was created using a template, okay, from this specific project. Now to do that, let's say, for example, I'm just going to use this YouTube project right here as our template. Okay. So just click on the three dots besides it. And here you have the create template button. So just click on it and just give it a project name, okay, or template name. Choose from projects. And this means which project would you like to use as a template, okay? If you have a ton of projects right here, for example, we have a drop down, okay? If you want to use this one, so select it from here. If you want to use this one, select it from here as well. So let's say I'm just going to use the YouTube project right here. Now, if you want to add closed tasks as open tasks in this project template, you can go ahead and do so. Just tick on this chat box. If you want to change the description, go ahead and do so as well. The business hours and the tags. If you want to add in some more tags, you just go ahead and type down a new tag. Okay, maybe duplicate. Just going to add it right here. Hit on enter. Template, like so. Hit on enter. And then don't forget to add the project template name. Let's say YT temp. Okay. Add. It says you're creating. Just wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. There you go. Here we now have a new project template. So to create a new project from a template, just go ahead over to projects right here. Add new project. Then in this tab, select the project templates. And here we have the YT temp. Just click on use. Set up the project, and once done, just click on add, and it will be added right here. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.